Dear students, this is Professor Dhanapal from Department of Commerce. So today we'll discuss about wholesalers. So let's start our topic. So first we'll understand what is wholesaling. A comprehensive process of selling goods and services to the people who buys those goods or services for business use or resale is called as wholesaling. So the entire activity of wholesaling does not include retailers, farmers, and manufacturers, as they are basically involved in production activities. A wholesaler is a person who is engaged in the wholesaling activities. So next we will see the definition. According to American Marketing Association, wholesalers sell to retailers or other merchants and or industrial, institutional, and commercial users, but they do not sell in significant amounts or to ultimate consumers. So wholesalers directly they are selling the goods to the retailers or the merchants or industry people, but wholesalers directly they are not selling to the consumers. And according to Flip Kotler, wholesaling consists of the sale and all activities in selling goods or services to those who buy for resale or business use. So wholesaler means they are buying the goods for the purpose of reselling. Next, we will move on to the types of wholesalers. So the types, we have three major categories. One is merchant wholesaler, second brokers and agents, third manufacturers and retailers, branches and offices. So merchant wholesaler, we can divide two categories. One is a full service wholesaler and limited service wholesalers. So full service wholesalers means these kind of wholesalers, they are providing the entire services to the industry peoples or retailers or merchants. So full service wholesalers, we can divide to wholesale merchants, industrial distributors. And limited service wholesalers, we have different types: cash and carry wholesalers, truck wholesalers, drop shippers, rack jobbers, producers cooperative, mail order wholesalers. Let's discuss in detail. So merchant wholesalers or independent business enterprise, they take title to the products they deal in. So merchant wholesalers are the largest single wholesaler group. So broadly, merchant wholesalers are of two types: full service wholesalers and limited service wholesalers. And full service wholesalers are, as the name suggests, full service wholesalers render a full set of services. They carry stock, use sales force, offer credit, make deliveries, and provide management assistance. Full services wholesalers are either wholesale merchants or industrial distributors. And next one is a wholesale merchants. So wholesale merchants generally sell to retailers and render a full range of services. The width of the product line varies from one wholesale merchant to another. Some wholesale merchants maintain several line of goods to cater to general merchandise retailers and single line retailers. Some carry one or two lines of goods with a deep assortment. So examples are hardware wholesaler, drug wholesalers, and clothing wholesalers. Specialty wholesalers carry a partial but deep line, such as seafood wholesalers. Then industrial distributors are merchant wholesalers who sell to producers. They render such services as inventory, credit, delivery, etc. They may carry a broad range of products. They also may carry a general line or a specialty line. Industrial distributors may choose lines such as maintenance and operating supplies, original equipment goods, or equipment. The second major category is limited service wholesalers. So unlike full service wholesalers, limited service wholesalers provide fewer services to producers, suppliers, and customers. So as we discussed in the full service wholesaler, there the wholesalers will provide the entire services to the customers. But here, the limited service wholesalers, they will take only any part of the services to provide for the customers. So one is the cash and carry wholesalers, then truck wholesalers, drop shipper, rack jobbers, producers cooperative, mail order wholesalers. So let's discuss one by one. Cash and carry wholesalers sell to small retailers for cash. They maintain a limited line of fast moving goods and usually do not deliver. For example, a small vegetable retailer normally goes to a cash and carry wholesaler and buys several baskets of vegetables, pays on the spot, and brings them to his shop. And truck wholesalers sell and deliver simultaneously. They carry a limited line of goods. For example, milk, bread, and soft drinks. They sell for cash as they make their trips covering supermarkets, small groceries, hospital, restaurant, factory, cafeteria, and hotels. Then dropshippers neither handle the merchandise nor carry inventory. Dropshippers receive orders from buyers and then finds a producer who ships the goods directly to the buyers. So dropshippers are found to operate in bulk industries such as coal, lumber, and heavy equipment. During the period between acceptance of order and delivery of goods, dropshippers take title and risk. The next one is rack jobbers. Rack jobbers deal in non-food items. They send delivery truck to stores with a delivery person who sets up racks in those stores. The racks are filled with items like toys, paperback, hardware items, health and beauty aids, or other items. They price the goods and maintain inventory records. They hold title to the goods and bill the retailer only for the goods sold. Rack jobbers provide delivery, shelving, inventory, and financing services. They are not required to go for heavy promotion as they carry highly advertised branded goods. Then producers cooperative. Producers cooperative are wholesalers who operate in farm products. Farmer members own them. These cooperative assemble, farm produce, and sell in local markets. Profits earned by cooperative are divided among members. Producers cooperatives want to ensure product quality and promote a cooperative brand name such as Milkvita. Then mail order wholesalers. Mail order wholesalers operate by sending catalogs to customers who include retailers, industries, and institutions. They handle items like jewelry, cosmetics, special foods, and other small articles. Businesses located in far-flung areas are the main customers of mail order wholesalers. So these wholesalers do not maintain sales force, and the orders are filled and by mail, truck, or other suitable means. The second major categories are brokers and agents. So a broker is a wholesaler who brings buyers and sellers together and aids in negotiation. So brokers do not take title to goods. They earn a commission on the selling price from both the parties hiring them. So brokers will get the commission from both the parties. So brokers do not carry inventory and do not perform financing and risk-taking functions. An agent is a wholesaler who represents buyers or sellers on a relatively permanent basis. Agents perform a few functions and do not take title to the goods. The most familiar type of agents are manufacturer agent, selling agents, purchasing agents, and commission merchants. So manufacturer agents represent two or more manufacturers of related alliance. So with each manufacturer agents work under a formal agreement. Such agreement covers prices, territories, order handling procedures, delivery and warranties, and commission rates. Manufacturers' agents are found to handle goods such as ready-made garments, furniture, and electric goods. Small manufacturers hire agents to avoid the cost of maintaining their own field sales force. Large producers hire agents and when they want to open new territories or enter in areas that do not justify a full-time salesperson's employment. Then selling agents. Selling agents work with a producer under an agreement to sell his entire production. The selling agent virtually works as a sales department. So selling agents handle products such as textile, industrial, machinery and equipment, coal and coke, chemical and metals. Then purchasing agents make purchases on behalf of buyers and receive, inspect warehouse and ship goods to the buyers. One most familiar type of purchasing agent is the resident buyers in major government markets. Then commission merchants, who are also known as commission houses, take possession of products and negotiate sales. And finally, the manufacturer sales branch and offices. Manufacturer sales branches and offices also do wholesale. In such case, wholesaling is performed by sellers or buyers themselves without using independent wholesalers. So manufacturers establish their own sales branch and office because by doing so, they can improve inventory control, selling, and promotions. Thank you. We will see in the next topic.